Hi, let's draw and paint an easy Christmas tree with Crayola markers. Start at the top, and you're going to swoop out with a curved line, and then back in, and swoop out again, and back in, and swoop out again. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now, dab some markers onto your tree, but don't color it in just yet. We can use a wet paintbrush to move the marker ink around just like watercolor paint. Isn't that fun? That was so easy. Now you can decorate this when it's dry with anything that you want. You can add markers, stickers, glitter, glue. It's your tree. Decorate it however you like. Could you hit that red subscribe button, and then you'll know when we add more Christmas art to the Christmas playlist.